In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new Mobirise project, choose the right theme, explore more themes, and begin customizing with blocks and elements. First, launch Mobirise. On the welcome screen, click Create New Site. This opens a clean starting point and immediately shows you the available themes. Think of themes as ready-made design foundations. They control typography, spacing, and default block styles so you don't start from scratch. For the smoothest experience, pick a free base theme such as Mobirise 4 or Mobirise 5. These are built on Bootstrap, which means solid responsiveness out of the box and broad compatibility with blocks and extensions. If you're unsure which to select, Mobirise 5 is a current, flexible choice, while Mobirise 4 or Hunalfrauth can be helpful if you're working with older projects or blocks designed for that generation. You can always preview a theme before committing, and you're not locked into content. You're simply setting the design language you'll build upon. If you want more visual styles, click More Themes in the new site window. This opens the Mobirise marketplace, where you can browse and purchase premium themes tailored to different industries and aesthetics. As you explore, look for layouts that match your brand tone, check the demo pages to see how blocks behave on mobile, and consider how many content block variations a theme offers. A theme with a rich block library can save you time later because you can mix and match sections without heavy tweaking. With your theme chosen, you're ready to customize. Mobirise uses a block-based system. You drag sections like headers, features, galleries, or footers onto the canvas. After dropping a block, click it to reveal settings and content controls. Replace placeholder text with your copy, swap images with your own assets, and adjust buttons to point where you need. Use the sidebar options to fine-tune colors, fonts, spacing, and alignment. Many blocks include toggles for elements like shadows, overlays, and animations, letting you dial in polish without code. Keep an eye on consistency. Sticking to a small set of colors and font sizes will make your site feel cohesive. Elements inside blocks can be rearranged as needed. Move cards, reorder columns, or hide items you don't need to simplify the layout. Periodically preview your page at different widths to confirm everything looks great on phones and tablets. Once your sections reflect your message and style, you've laid the groundwork for a clean, professional site built on a dependable theme.